this is my game because it's fine. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. How to play my game, which is fairy forests. First, answer all the questions with a capital, otherwise the game will not understand it, because that's how it's coded. Anyway, next, you could simply just choose the right answers and gain your points as you go through and count your score. And third, information. This game was made on Python and made for my parent Antonisha. Yeah. Anyway. For my inspiration, I made this game because it was a coding project for the ending of Python class. And then, so, I'm gonna explain this part. So, when the player says no, the game leaves. This function is called if else. The player says no, it prints too bad, so sad, goodbye, my friend. If it says anything else, it says I don't understand that. Demonstration time. When you write your name, and if you say yes without a capital, it doesn't understand it. So you don't have to answer like your name with a capital, you just have to answer the rest. So it will give you a point if you get the right one. So let's say I put sparkle bomb. Well, you got 0 points. And then another thing happens. So let's say I choose lightning flash. And then you got 1 point. So if you answer them both right, you'll get 2 points. But if you don't get them both right, then you'll have 1 or 0 points. Okay, so my strengths in coding are if, else, elif, loops, Python, and yeah, we don't talk. Anyway. What can be changed in the future? Probably my knowledge for Python, because sometimes I forget syntax, which is grammar. Okay, so play my project. And as you see, it just shows a picture. That's fine. Thank you.